In the realm of business and finance, a certified public accountant or CPA is not just a title. It's a testament to your expertise, a badge of your financial prowess. It's the key that opens doors to opportunities, the bridge that connects you with the global marketplace. Enter Bharat Teach U, a premier CPA training program designed to mold you into a world-class professional. With a course structure that is as comprehensive as it is detailed, Bharat Teach U goes beyond the ordinary, offering you the extraordinary. At the heart of Bharat Teach U are its meticulously compiled MCQs and exam questions bank. This treasure trove of questions is designed to test your knowledge, challenge your understanding, and sharpen your skills. From the simplest concepts to the most complex scenarios, you'll find them all here, providing you with the perfect practice ground. But it's not all about theory. Bharat Teach U understands the importance of practical application. That's why it includes task-based simulations, where you'll get to apply what you've learned in real-world situations. It's like a virtual internship, right at your fingertips. And let's not forget the comprehensive video lectures. Each topic of the 6 parts of CPA is explored in depth, with experts breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand segments. You'll be learning from the best, in a format that's engaging, interactive, and incredibly effective. Affordability is another key feature of Bharat Teach U. Quality education should never be a luxury, but a right. That's why Bharat Teach U offers its world-class training program at a price that's accessible to all. But the crowning jewel of Bharat Teach U is its sure pass commitment. This isn't just a promise, it's a pledge to support you, guide you, and equip you with everything you need to pass the CPA exam. So why wait? The world of business and finance is waiting for you. Enroll in the Bharat Teach U CPA training program today. Unlock your potential, unleash your expertise, and step into a future filled with possibilities. Because with Bharat Teach U, success is not just a possibility, it's a certainty.